What would happen to your body if you eat 2 eggs every day for 1 month after 60? Picture yourself 1 month from today, waking up with more energy, moving with less joint stiffness, thinking more clearly, and feeling stronger than you have in years. Sound impossible? What if I told you that a simple change, eating just 2 eggs every single day, could make this your reality in just 30 days? After 60, your body changes in ways that make nutrition more critical than ever. Your muscles weaken faster. Your brain needs more support. Your bones become fragile. Your immune system slows down, and your body struggles to absorb nutrients the way it used to. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. One affordable food can address nearly all of these age-related challenges at once. I'm talking about eggs. Most people eat eggs occasionally without thinking twice. But what if you committed to eating 2 eggs every single day for an entire month after age 60? What would actually happen inside your body? Would you feel different? Look different? Move differently? The answer might surprise you because the changes can be dramatic, measurable, and in some cases, life-changing. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what happens in your body week by week when you eat 2 eggs daily after 60. You'll discover the science-backed transformations that occur, the timeline for when you'll notice results, and the mistakes that could prevent you from getting the full benefits. If you're new here, welcome to Dr. Emily Carter's channel, where we share practical, evidence-based health tips designed specifically for seniors over 60. Before we begin, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos that can genuinely improve your health and quality of life. And I'd love to connect with you. Type 1 in the comments if you're over 60 and ready to try this, or 0 if you're skeptical. Also, let us know your age and what country you're watching from. We love hearing from our global community. Now, let's discover what happens when you eat 2 eggs every day for 30 days after 60. Before we dive into the week-by-week changes, let's talk about why eggs become even more important after you turn 60. As you age, your body faces specific challenges that make proper nutrition absolutely essential. After 60, you can lose between 3 and 8% of your muscle mass per decade, a condition called sarcopenia. This leads to weakness, poor balance, and dramatically increased fall risk. Your digestive system also becomes less efficient at extracting vitamins and minerals from food, making nutritional deficiencies far more common than most people realize. Your cognitive function naturally decreases with age, affecting memory, focus, and how quickly you process information. Bone density drops significantly, especially in women after menopause, which increases your risk of dangerous fractures. Your immune system becomes less responsive to threats, making you more vulnerable to infections, colds, and illnesses that younger people shake off easily. On top of all this, your metabolism slows down considerably, meaning you burn fewer calories at rest, which makes maintaining a healthy weight increasingly difficult. Here's the good news. Eggs are uniquely designed by nature to combat every single one of these age-related challenges. They're loaded with complete protein, essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that your aging body desperately needs. More importantly, they're highly bioavailable, which means your body can actually absorb and use these nutrients efficiently, unlike many supplements that pass through your system without being absorbed. Let's break down what happens week by week when you commit to eating 2 eggs every single day. During the first 7 days, your body begins responding to the daily influx of high-quality protein and essential nutrients. One of the first things many people notice is more stable energy throughout the day. The protein and healthy fats in eggs slow down your digestion and prevent those blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you exhausted. Instead of feeling drained by mid-morning or desperately reaching for sugary snacks, you'll likely experience more sustained, even energy that carries you through your morning activities. Eggs also trigger the release of a hormone called cholecystokin that signals fullness to your brain. After 60, appetite regulation can become unpredictable. Some people lose their appetite and eat too little, while others struggle with constant hunger and overeat. 2 eggs at breakfast help normalize these hunger signals, making it easier to eat appropriate portions throughout the day without feeling deprived or constantly hungry. The complete protein in eggs is also much easier to digest than many other protein sources, which is especially important for seniors whose digestive systems have naturally slowed down over the years. You may notice less bloating, less gas, and more regular, comfortable bowel movements during this first week. What will you actually feel during week 1? Most people don't notice dramatic changes yet, but you may feel slightly more satisfied after breakfast and experience fewer mid-morning cravings for sweets or caffeine. Your energy might feel a bit more steady, though the changes are subtle at this stage. By week 2, the nutrients from eggs are beginning to accumulate in your system and create measurable effects that you can actually feel. Each egg provides about 6 grams of complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. One of these amino acids, leucine, is particularly important because it directly triggers muscle growth and repair at the cellular level. Here's something critical to understand. After 60, your muscles become resistant to protein, which means you need significantly more high-quality protein just to maintain the muscle mass you have, let alone build new muscle. 2 eggs daily provide enough leucine to activate what scientists call muscle protein synthesis. Your body begins repairing muscle fibers more efficiently, especially if you're doing any light physical activity like walking, gardening, or stretching. At the same time, something fascinating is happening in your brain. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of a nutrient called choline, which your brain uses to produce acetylcholine. This neurotransmitter is absolutely essential for memory formation, learning, and maintaining cognitive function. After 60, choline deficiency becomes surprisingly common and is now recognized as a significant contributor to cognitive decline and memory problems. By week 2, choline levels in your body are rising steadily. Many people report feeling mentally sharper at this stage, with noticeably better focus and recall. You might find it easier to remember names when you meet people, follow complex conversations without losing track, or complete tasks without getting distracted halfway through. The B vitamins in eggs, especially B12, B6, and folate, also support the production of neurotransmitters that regulate your mood. These vitamins help reduce levels of an amino acid called homocysteine, which research has linked to depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline in older adults. During week 2, you may notice your mood feels more stable and positive, with less afternoon irritability or fatigue. This is when the transformation becomes truly noticeable, both to you and potentially to others around you. Eggs are exceptionally rich in biotin, also known as vitamin B7, which plays a crucial role in strengthening hair, skin, and nails. They also provide the high-quality protein that your body uses to produce keratin, which is the structural protein that literally forms your hair and nails. By week 3, many people notice that their nails are growing noticeably faster and breaking far less easily than before. Your hair may feel thicker, shinier, and more manageable. Your skin often looks more hydrated, less dull, and may even take on a healthier glow. The antioxidants in eggs, particularly vitamin E and selenium, actively protect your skin cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and age spots over time. Something else important is happening beneath the surface. The omega-3 fatty acids and selenium in eggs have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Many seniors live with chronic low-grade inflammation throughout their bodies, which causes persistent joint stiffness and discomfort, especially first thing in the morning when you're getting out of bed. By week 3, inflammation markers in your bloodstream are measurably dropping. You might notice significantly less morning stiffness in your knees, hips, or fingers. Moving around may suddenly feel easier and more comfortable. Simple activities like getting dressed, reaching for items on shelves, or walking upstairs may require noticeably less effort and cause less discomfort. Eggs also provide crucial immune-supporting nutrients, including vitamin D, vitamin A, selenium, and zinc. After 60, your immune system naturally becomes less efficient at identifying and fighting off infections. The nutrients in eggs help strengthen your body's defense mechanisms, making you more resilient against colds, flu, and other illnesses. Before we continue, if you're finding this fascinating and want more science-backed health tips for seniors, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps us reach more people who need this information. By the end of 1 full month, your body has completely adapted to the daily nutrient boost, and the benefits reach their absolute peak. Research studies consistently show that older adults who consume adequate high-quality protein, like eggs, for 4 weeks demonstrate measurable improvements in actual muscle function that can be tested and verified. You may notice that getting up from chairs or your bed feels significantly easier and requires less effort. Your balance and stability when walking or standing on one foot may improve noticeably. Your grip strength, which is actually an important predictor of overall health and longevity, often increases. You may experience far less fatigue when walking longer distances or climbing multiple flights of stairs. The combination of complete protein, vitamin D, and phosphorus in eggs directly supports muscle contraction and provides the energy your cells need for physical activity. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about maintaining the physical independence that allows you to live life on your own terms. After a full month of consistent choline intake, your brain has had sufficient time to increase acetylcholine production to optimal levels. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults with higher choline intake performed measurably better on memory tests and showed significantly lower rates of cognitive decline compared to those with low choline intake. You may find yourself remembering things more easily and accurately, thinking more clearly and quickly when solving problems, feeling more mentally alert and engaged throughout the entire day, and experiencing much less of that frustrating brain fog that makes it hard to focus or find the right words. The lutein and zeaxanthin in egg yolks have been accumulating in your retina over the past month. By week 4, these powerful antioxidants are providing significant protection against blue light damage from screens and sunlight, as well as oxidative stress that damages delicate eye tissues. While you won't necessarily feel this change happening, research clearly shows that consistent intake of these nutrients substantially reduces your risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which are the 2 leading causes of vision loss in seniors. Contrary to outdated myths about eggs and cholesterol, eggs actually improve heart health markers for the vast majority of people. By week 4, your HDL cholesterol, which is the good kind that protects your heart, typically increases. Inflammation markers throughout your cardiovascular system decrease. Your blood pressure may stabilize at healthier levels. Your overall antioxidant status improves, protecting your blood vessels from damage. A comprehensive study published in the British Medical Journal analyzed data from hundreds of thousands of participants and found that eating up to 1 egg per day was not associated with any increased risk of heart disease. In fact, there was even evidence suggesting it might be protective against stroke. If you've been consistently eating 2 eggs for breakfast every morning, you've likely consumed fewer total calories during the month without even trying or feeling hungry. This happens because eggs keep you satisfied for much longer and dramatically reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Many people naturally lose between 2 and 4 pounds during the first month, simply because they're snacking less frequently and making better food choices throughout the rest of their day. Eggs provide both vitamin D and phosphorus, which are absolutely essential for proper calcium absorption and maintaining strong, healthy bones. After a full month, your body is significantly better equipped to maintain bone density and prevent the dangerous bone loss that leads to osteoporosis and devastating fractures after 60. What will you actually feel by the end of week 4? Most people report noticeably more energy throughout the entire day, better physical strength and endurance, sharper mental clarity and faster thinking, improved and more stable mood, significantly less joint discomfort and stiffness, better sleep quality and feeling more rested in the morning, and an overall renewed sense of vitality and capability. Many people say they genuinely feel younger and more capable than they did just 30 days earlier. So here's my personal challenge to you. Try eating 2 eggs every single day for the next 30 days and carefully observe how you feel. It's remarkably simple. It's extremely affordable, costing just pennies per serving. And the potential benefits, including more energy, better brain function, stronger muscles, healthier joints, and improved immunity, are absolutely worth the minimal effort required. Give your aging body the complete nutrition it desperately needs to thrive after 60. You might be genuinely amazed at how much better you feel in just 1 month. Your body is capable of remarkable healing and renewal when you provide it with the right nutrients consistently. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you willing to commit to this 30-day egg challenge? Comment below and let me know. I'll be checking the comments regularly, and I'd absolutely love to hear about your results and experiences. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our practical health tips designed specifically for seniors over 60. Thank you so much for watching and for investing in your health. Here's to your health, strength, and vitality at any age. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay strong.